First off, this is Action Jackson's IFL YouTube channel. I do not own the rights to this song. With that being said, check out the Frisco Fighters traveling to the rest center to take on the GreenBay Blizzard. It's going to be a cold one in GreenBay as the Blizzard will look to enact their dominance on the Frisco Fighters. However, Frisco will have an answer, and the Frisco Fighters will come out on top against the GreenBay Blizzard. The game will be a great one, though. It's going to be a high-scoring affair. 62-59, Frisco Fighters come out on top. Let's go. If you have never checked out IFL action, check it out now, Funk Soul Brother. It is Frisco and GreenBay. All you got to do is go onto YouTube, type in Frisco at GreenBay, and you can watch it. So check it out now.